Let's guys today from to connect the templates in the website also. I faced some issue in the variation. Okay, that one is a string given array issue. Okay, that means let's go to the product model and product model, not model, I think a service, right? Product service sort. 1 second. Product Laravel, not this one here. Laravel full eCommerce, right? This one. Yes. Let's say it. Products. Yes, we have one product. Let's create more product. Okay. I think we need to create one seeder, product seeder, brand seeder already have, I think. Where is as admin seeder only have. Let's create new controller PSP artisan make more seeder. Okay, category seeder make seeder, brand seeder. Okay, PSP artisan product seeder. Make seeder. Okay, because we don't have to time to create it informations. Okay, let's create a brand first of all. Okay, let's be Samsung, Sony, Lenovo, AES. Same like let's create categories. Then let's create one factory, product factory. Okay, PSP artisan make factory product factory model product. Okay, yes, in the product factory we are added or not in the model. Not. Okay, has factory. Okay, after that let's create a factory. Or is this? Yes, name this figure name, description, the percentage. Okay, and then let's create brand, okay, brand id, category id. Brand is in random order, right? First id, same on categories, category in random order, first id. Then there is a factory, okay. We don't need this one because we have to creating seeder first of all. Then we need to price random float to 100, and then what we have to product, let's go to product, create quantity, and then SKU, barcode, description. That's it, right? Status is always published. Let's see the enum. Yes, published. Where is the product seeder? Factory. Status also have. Then let's SKU with the Unicode, and then barcode, no need to SKU. SKU, let's create a random, this to this, okay. And then discount, no, that's it. And here products, create 50, and let's create some product have variations, okay. Okay, let's import everything. Not this used. Okay, products, we have to create a 50. Under this 50 we have to 20 is a variation product. Variation is color, size is selected, size is variation selected, and the variation option is red and black, and then small and large for size variation, and then product variation is combination of this option id and small id, black and small id, red and large, is black and large, this combination, okay, variation. And price is this one, quantity is 100, and create a variations. After that, let's create a DB seeder. After admin create, let's create brand, and then category, and then product, okay. Brand seeder, brand to band, not delete. Let's rename, okay. Yes, let's rename, and then go to the database here. Everything is fine. PSP artisan migrate minus fresh minus it. Okay, yes, that's it to create items. Let's log in to the first of all. Okay, we have a branch. There is no images now. Categories, 20 categories: home services, cleaning, plumbing, electrical, like, okay, education, like this category we have to create. And then products, right? Oh, what happened with product? Product seeder is not created. Why? Column status spelling mistake. Oh, status. Okay, let's again fresh. Okay, everything is fine. Login. Yes, now I have products, right? Let's upload the some images. Let's I will upload any images, okay, like this. Okay, let's go through the another products. But in the table, why not coming products? There is any issue, I think, right? Yes, if we go here, let's upload another image. I will solve this product images also. I don't have, I think, here Laravel econ. Here is the templates. No, 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 no. This one, okay. And then to the stories and app public. Okay, let's upload this one. Go back. I think we have to solve first of all why not showing this image, right, in the table. Let's go to the product controller and image, not image like this. Okay, we need to the product get thumb image URL. It's coming. No, that means still here. Product get URL. Let's give. Oh, something is wrong. images and thumb. I think it will be work. Oh, product get first first image URL. Let's create this product first image URL. Have or no? No. First image URL, how we have to get? Let's create one method in the model. Okay, get first image URL, collection is image, this is a small, and then return this one. Okay, now let's see. Not getting means there is something is missing. What was the missing? Let's create a command php artisan u org. Okay, there is no jobs. Let's see. Storage app public one, conversion medium small large small fast. Okay, thumb have, that mean where is the mistakes? Not images. Okay, yes, it's coming now. Okay, let's add another product image upload, go products image, and then products. Okay, yes, these product are coming. Let's go through the web sections now. Template, where is the template? I will give you this template. Okay, let's make this is a workflow, a workspace. To workspace, I think where I have to add this template in there. Where is this template? I was put in this template. Okay, let's implement this template in the next video. This was is going to bigger.